are having a great day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have our October 2019 ScentBird. So for those of you that do not know what ScentBird is, or if you do, you may be wondering, what's in the box? Well, ScentBird is a monthly perfume subscription and you receive a 30-day supply. However, in my personal experience, it actually lasts longer than 30 days, but it is a 30-day supply of a designer fragrance. You get to go in and build your queue where you can select from hundreds of different perfumes and or colognes. Well, they don't just have perfume. Nope. I'm going to go into all of that here in just a second. Again, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. Don't forget, we do have some active giveaways listed down below. So if you haven't checked those out yet, make sure you do and go ahead and enter. But ScentBird is $14.95 a month with free shipping. And like I said, you get to select from hundreds and hundreds of perfumes and or colognes. You also can choose makeup, you can choose skincare, you can choose like body care as far as body washes and things, or candles. They have all kinds of stuff. Some of the items you may or may not have to pay an additional $5 or $10, just depending, because of the brand and how expensive that product may actually be. But either way, it is still a fantastic deal. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. And if you do use that link, you will get your second month free. So you'll pay $14.95 for your first month and your second month will be free. So just saying. But as you can tell, there's probably not a little bottle of perfume in this month's box, right? Because there's not. Get a whiff of this. There's a clue. Y'all, I like to cut my finger off. Oh, that's like, oh, I had palpitations. All right. All right, so, hello. Squigglies. We don't usually see squigglies with ScentBird. All right, so yeah, here it tells you about some of the other items they have. They have a white tea and fig hand cream, Earl Grey and blackberry foaming shower cream, a green tea melting lip balm. So, what did I get this month? I got a candle. And it is the white tea and fig. White tea and fig. I can't talk. Russian tea with a dash of sweet fig. Go ahead, treat yourself. Handcrafted in the USA, our candles are made from a slow burning soy wax blend. Make today smell ridiculously amazing. So there's that. I do have candles in my queue, but I have them like spread out. I have some perfume and then different items. So I kind of never remember what I'm going to get each month. All right, so, oh, okay, first of all, I already love the back. Hashtag weekending. And then there is what the front looks like. I like this. This is cute. And it has a cute little lid. Ooh, about lost the lid. And my fingers, I just can't grip it. Oh, y'all. That smells good. That, like, I want, y'all, okay. Somebody invent smell-o-vision, because every time it's like instinct. I'm like, here, take a sniff. And I know Gina's probably gonna say something because I'm like, y'all, this smells so good. Well, I can't help it. That's how I talk, and it smells good. It really does. I wish y'all could smell it. I do like this little lid. It's different. So that's my ScentBird for October 2019. We're getting into fall. I love candles. I think it's definitely something year round, but I wanted this month to be the first month I got a candle because I just love that, like, the ambiance that it sets when you have candles burning and things, and it's something I definitely think of when I think of fall. So that was my ScentBird. So like I said, you can choose from perfume, makeup, candles, skincare, body care, all kinds of stuff. and it's only $14.95 a month. And like I said, the link that I'll put down below will get you your second month free. So you pay for your first month and your second month is nothing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get ScentBird? Have you tried their candles? I love hearing from you guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.